Hey friends, Zen Kuna here. Big wooden club. We're going to do just your simple hand to hand around the head. So just working it, deepening our connection. We will always want to remember that you're coming from your lower dantian. Stay connected here and get your feet pushing from the earth away. The other thing, remember, is keep the spine elongating. So that's sacrum going down and top of the spine going up. So you're just like you got a rubber band pulling it apart. Let's play. We're going to come over, around, pull it down, and shift hands. Last one. So what we like to do is with our heavier wooden clubs, our focus is again training that neurology so that when we go up to our heavier club bells, so we're going up to 15, 20, 25, 35, 40 pounds, that we've already got the neurology well trained. Plus, like today being a moderate day or a light day, using our wooden clubs fits right into the process. So enjoy, make it fun.